subscribe, like, comment. And press the bell icon. And watching last this video. Introducing the Realme Narzo 60 Pro, the smartphone that will revolutionize your mobile experience. With its stunning design and cutting-edge features, the Narzo 60 Pro is set to be the talk of the town. A smartphone that combines power, style, and innovation. The Realme Narzo 60 Pro is equipped with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming your favorite videos, every visual will come to life like never before. Capture the world with precision using the Narzo 60 Pro's powerful camera system. With a 100-megapixel main camera, your photos will be nothing short of extraordinary. From stunning landscapes to detailed close-ups, every shot will be a masterpiece. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The Realme Narzo 60 Pro boasts a massive 5000 mAh battery, ensuring that you stay connected throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the 67W wired charging will get you back in the action in no time. Powered by Android 13 and Realme UI 4.0, the Narzo 60 Pro offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. Say hello to faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and enhanced customization options. It's time to take control of your smartphone like never before. Worried about storage? Fear not. The Narzo 60 Pro comes with a generous 128GB or 256GB internal storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. And with 8GB of RAM, you can enjoy smooth and lag-free performance in every task you undertake. But that's not all. The Narzo 60 Pro is packed with advanced features like an under-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and a range of connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It's a smartphone designed to keep up with your every need. Available in 3 stunning colors, Astral Black, Sunrise Beige, and Oasis Green, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro is not just a smartphone. It's a style statement. Stand out from the crowd and make a bold impression wherever you go. Are you ready to step into the future of mobile technology? Pre-order your Realme Narzo 60 Pro today and be among the first to experience the power and beauty of this incredible device. Don't miss out on the smartphone that everyone will be